Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and I'm going to show you kneeling bicep curls here on the Cadillac. So I love this exercise. You can also do it standing. I'll show you that another day, but kneeling is really fun because if you're like me, staying on your feet and your knees, it's easy to cheat. So when you are kneeling, you take all those extra joints out of it and you can really find your inner thighs, your outer thighs, and all the strength that comes from that. So safety spring strap on, one spring from below. You're going to kneel facing the push-through bar, palms up, and stand on your knees. And you know, I'm kind of like an arm's distance away in theory. I have straight arms to start, right? If it's too hard, you'll get closer. If it's too easy, you move backwards. You just don't want to do it in your back. So press your shins down, pull your knees towards each other, bend your elbows and reach the bar up, and bend your elbows and lower the bar down. Good. Bend your elbows and reach up. And right here, you can see the pinky side of your hand. Can you keep it on the bar? And as you reach, can you reach a little further, pressing down through your legs? Now the spring is going to close itself. Can you press into the bar and control that? And then push up through to maintain, right? So it's really easy at the bottom to take a break. Don't do it. Don't take a break at the bottom. You got this. Last time. Ugh. So, 5 to 8 of it's a really good challenge for you to connect your whole center, right? I don't know why it's called bicep curls. I feel less in my bicep and more in a connection to my back and my stomach. But if you're doing things like rowing 90 degrees, right, you really need to learn, how does your arm here connect to your back? How does your pinky side of your hand help connect you to your back? All that's so important for good shoulder rotation and mobility and connecting your arms to your back. So it's a really fun way to teach that connection to your body. It's not like you're doing a bicep curl. So if that's what you're expecting, sorry, it's a misleader. But it's so good in helping you train your body to work together. Because remember, Pilates is about the whole body working together, not just a body part, right? So thank you so much for watching this. For more videos from me, make sure you subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.